Hello, friends. Do you want to learn African drum? Well, you are at the right place. Let's go!
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today, we are going to teach you class 5 of binary improvisations. Let's start with the tempo beat. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Our improvisation beats for today are slap bass, slap bass, slap, slap bass, bass, slap, slap bass, 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 slap. Like this, ready? You got it? Let's play together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's play together with the tempo beat. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of binary exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. Please share with your friends and families too. Goodbye!